Hey guys, we received this KingPavonini shower chair for inside shower. It can hold up to 550 lbs and is a heavy duty bath chair with arms. So this needs some assembly. So these are all the parts. So my first impression is it's metal and really a high quality material here. You can adjust it accordingly, like whatever you want to use. And it is a bath stool or the safety shower bench with a reinforced crossing bar. So I already showed you the bar. This is the back portion is plastic, so it's all waterproof. This all material is waterproof that can be used in the shower and you know yeah, like for any of your purpose. So these are all the parts and I will just do that assembly so you can see. So overall these are 20 inches in width and 18 inches in the side. So the backrest is around 16 inches and the total height is around some 11 to 14 or 19 depending on how you are setting up your stuff. So for assembly, everything, all the numbers are marked or imposed, and then you have to just put in the numbers there. The screws are not like required any of those, like the drivers or something. You can just lock it down like this. So back support, you have to see like the front and then match it with the front. So assembly is pretty straightforward. So once this all is done, you can see or you can adjust the length or the height, whatever you want to use. After the assembly with the handle is a very, it looks like this. There's a gel mat as well for some cushion, and also like the handles are of the foam, styrofoam, so it's pretty comfortable. So the cross body will help like to more adjustment. So this fit in my shower and you can see like, so just say like if I try to sit on it, it can easily hold my weight and is very comfortable with this handle and the backrest. And you can also adjust the height based on your height, like from the bottom, like the foot. So it's basically a very strong structure, very comfortable for the shower, no impact of water on it. So it's pretty nice shower chair. So easy to clean and store as well, and of course is good to use with the shower and the chair. It's a little close up so you can see with the handle with the styrofoam, comfortable one. So hope you like this as well.